In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from a Shopify store. If you manage products in Shopify, there will be many times when you need to grab a copy of your product photos. Maybe you want to reuse them in a marketing campaign, update your catalog, or simply save a backup to your computer. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process of downloading product images directly from your Shopify admin using only the built-in tools. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the main admin screen, look over to the menu panel on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all the main areas of your store, like orders, customers, and of course, products. Click on the section labeled Products. After you click Products, Shopify will show you a list of all the items available in your store. You can scroll through this list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of products and want to find a specific one quickly. When you see the product whose image you want to download, click on its name to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, the first thing you'll see near the top is the product title card, where you can edit the product name and other basic details. Just below or beside this area, depending on your screen size, you'll see the media section. This is where all the images and sometimes videos for that product are displayed. Find the product image you'd like to download and click directly on it. This will open the image in a larger view, bringing you into Shopify's image editor. Here you can see a bigger version of the image and some editing options. Now, look toward the top right corner of this image editor screen. You should see a small download icon, often represented by a downward arrow. Click that download icon. Shopify will prepare the file and your browser will start downloading the image to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. Once the download is complete, you can repeat the same process for any other images you want to save. Just go back to the media area for that product, click another image, open it in the editor, and use the download icon again. And that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and safely download any of your product images from your Shopify store whenever you need them.